Welcome. If you want to turn off offensive chat filter in the League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first you have to tap on the settings icon, and then you have to be right here, focus on this option, and as you can see currently it's turned on. So when we tap on the switcher and turn it off, here you can also read the description. So right now when it's enabled, offensive and prohibited terms in the chat messages can be replaced by asterisks, right? So when we turn it off, you will see a very word on the chat, even that offensive words. So yeah, that's how we can turn it off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.